Hey, hi. So today I am going to explain about one of the interview question, which is nothing but short merge of a given linked list. So question is very simple. So idea is it works based on the divide and conquer algorithm. Suppose that you have the big unsorted array, and based on the boolean flag either ascending or descending, you have to sort this. So just let me explain the logic. Logic is like that. If you have the if you will see, this is the big array, and in the first part recursively you will divide this big n length array into n by 2, and then after that at this level what you will do, you divide this into the two portion, right? Means here again n by 4 and n by 4 array, right? So you will divide this whole big array till your node or your linked list size, it will become either the null or it will become the only one node, right? Length of the linked list, it will be only one. Till that you have to divide it, and once you found at the lowest level, so in that case you have to merge this array. Means like example, as think that this is the 3 and 4, there is element, and just you after the merging you will create the 3 linked list 4 based on the, again, based on the ascending or descending flag, either 3 4 or it might be the 4 3 if ascending flag equal to false. Okay, so this operation you will do. So there is only the two operation basically. Recursively what you will do, you will divide this whole big array into the two part, and still you reach at the end, then recursively you have to merge this one. Okay, so let's jump on the, these are the two only logic which you have to apply. It's not a very complex. So if you will see here, first logic which I wrote, how to split it right into the two array. So splitting is again very simple. Like you took the two pointer like a slow and fast, and slow you move to the first a step ahead, and fast you have to move to a step ahead. So moment when the fast it will be reached at the end point, then it means that your slow it will be at the exactly on the middle. So slow of next you have to return, because you have to split this one, right? So split this one means this is the one array, this is the one portion basically, and this is the another portion, right? So it means that this slow of next you have to return it, and you cut it. For the cutting, what I am doing, slow dot next equal to null. It means that I am cutting this segment, right? This link. It means that it will be a split basically. And second, merge logic, right? So for the merging, what I am doing here, based on this flag ascending descending, this is the base condition only. That's why I wrote. Because as you know that in the recursion, base condition is always should be present, otherwise it will be going to the infinite loop. So base condition is that till any one of the node it will become the null, then it will be returned to the next node, right? Means like S1 is null, then I returning the S2. S2 is null, then I returning the S1, like that. Okay, so based on the condition, like if the S1 data is less than equal to S2 data, then S1 will come first. Okay, S1 will come first, otherwise S2 will come first based on the ascending, and whatever that it will come first, they will return that head only. Similarly here, if you will see what I doing, if this is the descending order, then S1 dot label it will be greater, it should be greater. That's why greater value I am keeping in at the head. Similarly, this is the greater value I am keeping into the beginning, right? And let's see how. So sort recursively, see, spin I is splitting this one and recursively performing the same operations. And base condition is that base condition on which this recursion it will break, basically, right? So this is the base condition where the recursion is going to break, right? It will be not continue after once it reaches this condition. Base condition is always needed into the any recursion program. So let's test it. Like here the element 11 12 unsorted array I taken, and I think it will be in the ascending order. Is ascending equal to true, it means that, see, if you will see, minus 3 5 11 12 13, and similarly if I will do false, then we'll get the in the descending order, right? Descending orders. So logic is very simple. I hope so you got it. Thank you.